Nortech's web-based help software is just one of the many ways that we are continuously working to become one of the easiest companies in the industry to do business with. Help is a core product for us, and we are continuously releasing updates and new features to simplify working with, purchasing, and supporting our humidification products. We are happy to introduce as our latest feature the addition of Nortech spare parts and help. Navigate easily through a full catalog of spare parts for a majority of our humidification product range. From the catalog, spare parts can be added to the cart, added to projects, and then ordered online using our electronic order entry service. Ordering online through Help allows for faster processing not only for parts orders, but for complete unit orders as well. Simply create a load sizing or a browser project, build up your bill of materials, and select the truck icon once you are ready to submit the order for entry. Help will prompt you for some basic information about the order and then submit it directly to Nortech, bypassing the need for order processing. We even offer express shipping, quick ship, and priority air options for orders submitted online. Visit www.nortechhelp.com to log in or register and explore the humidification solutions that Nortech has to offer.